On a previous video, we looked at how longshore drift moves sediment along the coastline, transporting sand and shingle in a zigzag pattern. But what happens when that sediment has nowhere else to go? Today, we will explore how this process leads to the formation of spits, bars, and tombolos, some of the most fascinating depositional features on our coasts. Let's break it down step by step. A spit forms when longshore drift carries sediment along the coastline. But when the coastline has a sudden change of direction, for example, at a river mouth or a bay, a spit can form. Firstly, the waves lose energy at this point and can cause deposition of sand and shingle. Over time, the sediment builds up, out, and into the sea, forming a narrow ridge of land that extends from the shore. The spit continues to grow in the direction of the prevailing wind and wave action. If the wind direction changes, or the currents in the ocean increase, the tip of the spit may curve inland, forming a recurved edge. Behind the spit, in a sheltered low-energy area, the water is often calm enough for fine sediment to settle. This deposition can build up mudflats and eventually salt marshes, which become home to plants that are specially adapted to salty conditions, such as sea lavender. These environments are important for wildlife and act as natural flood defences. If a spit is to then continue and extend across a bay, rejoining with the mainland, for example, connecting two headlands together, this creates a bar. A bar then traps a body of seawater behind it, creating a lagoon. Over time, lagoons may become filled with sediment and also turn into coastal wetlands. A tombolo is a special type of depositional feature that forms when a spit or ridge of sand connects the mainland to an island. This happens when longshore drift and wave refraction cause sediment to build up between two land masses. The waves lose energy in the sheltered area between the island and the coast, allowing for deposition to occur. Spits, bars, and tombolos are consistently changing due to wave energy, wind direction, and human activity. Coastal management strategies like groins or seawalls can interrupt sediment flow, changing how these features grow or erode. These features also show us how deposition, not just erosion, can play a vital role in shaping our coastline.